Taurus, forecast for family for 2021. Your patience and your trustworthiness make you a trusted friend and beloved family member. You're often the rock in relationships of this nature because you can be counted upon. Your love and integrity are never doubted. So there is always a relaxed feeling when in your presence. You can be very set in your ways though, and if there are particular areas in which there is friction with family members, it can be hard for you to change. You would prefer that others work around your quirks, but when they can't, this can become a contentious point. In 2021, you may find yourself becoming even more immersed in family matters, especially if you are involved in some sort of a family venture or business. You may be the one who serves as the mediator and the buffer in a family conflict this year because others turn to you for wisdom and advice in cases like this. Loyalty could become a problem because you may find yourself being pulled in two directions. If you side with someone whose opinion is closest to you, you might find that someone else will feel betrayed. But if you stress fairness and compassion, you can work it out so that everyone is satisfied. A friendship from long ago may be renewed this year, but not in the way you might think. For example, someone you saw as a nemesis in high school could become a close friend, or someone you saw as strictly a friend could gradually become romantically attractive. Whatever happens though, this could be quite an interesting and positive development.